Costa Rica, home to breathtaking rainforest, stunning beaches, and a vibrant culture. But when it comes to shopping online, you might be wondering, can I get my favorite Amazon products here? The answer is yes. And in this video, we will order 2 similar items and have them shipped 2 different ways. When it's all over, we will finally be able to answer the question, which came first? Shipping Amazon packages to Costa Rica is easier than you might think. While Amazon doesn't directly ship every item internationally, there are several reliable options to ensure your purchase make it to you. First, let's talk about what you can do directly on Amazon. Some items are eligible for international shipping. When you change the ship to address in your Amazon profile, they automatically update the site to show only items that are available to be shipped to that international address. Shipping, as well as any import taxes and fees, are automatically applied to each item. But what if your item isn't available for international shipping? No worries, that's where package forwarding services come into play. Companies like MyUS, Dual, and others give you a US address to send your items to. Then they handle the international shipping, getting your package to Costa Rica quickly and securely. For our example, we've decided to ship one item directly from Amazon Global and the other one using a package forwarding company. To ship directly via Amazon Global, we needed to acquire a P.O. box at our local post office, and in Costa Rica, these are known as correos. Most houses and condos here do not have a mailbox, or a mailing address for that matter. A post office box, which costs about $50 per year, will serve as your mailing address for most situations. Once you've acquired your own P.O. box, we can use this to set up a new destination profile within your Amazon account. Obviously, this address can be used for more than just online shopping, but today we're focused on Amazon specifically. There's a long list of supported countries to choose from. Select Costa Rica and enter in the address that you received from Correos. Once you're done with all the appropriate fields, you simply save your new address profile. Now we're ready for our first contestant.
Check it.
The first thing you may notice once you change the delivery destination to Costa Rica is Amazon actually shows you a subset of products in their catalog that are available to ship to that country. For this challenge, we wanted to select items that were small and lightweight to save on import duty and taxes. They also need to be similar in price to save on any potential monetary evaluations. Amazon will show you how much they're going to charge you for shipping, as well as import charges. I wonder who's going to keep any excess as the import charges are estimated. Once you've found all the items that you're looking for, put them in your cart and place your order. And that's all there is to Amazon Global. Now we're going to look at another shipping alternative. Most package forwarding companies are specific to the countries that they ship to and from. So it's best to choose a company that has a satellite office near where you are for easy pickup. In this example, we chose Dual because there was one nearby. Creating an account is completely free and easy to set up. If the company asks for some type of ID, it's best to choose one that you know you will have with you, whether it's a driver's license from your country or your passport. Make sure all your contact information is correct because this is how they'll give you updates on when your package has arrived. Then enter in the information about the satellite office that you would like to use as the pickup point for all future shipments. If you're unsure in any way, Stop by the office and they should be able to provide you this information. When you're all done, you'll be provided an address in your home country for you to get items to the package forwarding company. Now that we have the address, we can set up a new destination profile in your Amazon account. Where this differs from Correos, we now have an address inside the United States to ship to. You also have access to the full Amazon catalog and not just the limited subset of Amazon Global. Enter in the information that you received from the package forwarding company and save your new destination profile. Now we are ready for our second contestant. With package forwarding companies, you can actually shop like you normally do on Amazon. For our situation, we're going to look for an item that is of similar price and size and weight. Since Amazon will be sending the item to a US address, the same situation applies regarding shipping. Whether you're a Prime member or not, the shipping cost should be familiar to you. Find your item, add it to your shopping cart, and check out as normal. And now, we wait to see which comes first. Over that time, we'd received several notifications from Dual, as well as Amazon and DHL, which is a shipping company they chose. At Dual, we had to show the identification we used during registration to receive our package. It's at this time that we pay the import taxes and duties, as well as any additional shipping fees. They charged us 4,100 colones, which is about $8. This brings the total for this package up to $22.41, which is more than triple the item price. We then went to Correos to pick up the other one. We had already paid all the duties, taxes, and fees to Amazon when we purchased the item, which came to $39.56. Which is more than quadruple the item price. There was just one problem: no package. So we had to investigate to figure out where it was. We went through all the emails from DHL, and everything seemed okay. We went through all the status updates from Amazon, and everything seemed okay. We finally got the one status update we did not want to see. Sadly, we know what this means.
Missing chicken.
This happens with Amazon from time to time, so we decided to order another one. We'll just have to compare the time it took each contestant to make it to Costa Rica. So we wait again. We kept an eye on all the updates, but still, no package. Sadly, we know what this means.
Another missing chicken.
So instead of spending an additional $40 trying to buy another chicken, we decided to send a letter to our P.O. box from the United States. packages get delivered all the time to the post office. I guess DHL just has a problem with it. So that makes the winner of our Which Came First experiment Egg, all by himself.